I'm going to do a little quick tool review real quick. I was at O'Reilly Auto Parts last night picking up the grease for Monkey Boy's bike, and I saw something that was really kind of cool, and so I had to buy it. So it's really kind of cool because it's it's called the Power Torque. Look at that. It's supposed to be a ratcheting adjustable monkey wrench. So let's go ahead and get this thing open and see how it works. Oh wow, this is interesting.
What?
So it's a
That's so weird.
it is, and it's a
That's the coolest
push.
tool I've ever seen.
Oh wow, okay. So when you push on it, watch the jaws when you push on it. It opens up and it closes to it. Opens up and closes to it. So supposedly it will work as a wrench. Ready? I need to hold this in back here, buddy.
Ready, set, go.
And I'm trying to use a $11 wrench that I don't know how to use. Wow.
It looks a little bit. It looks harder than it seems when it's in the video. So
But no,
what?
it actually works.
Of course it does. Why wouldn't it work?
Actually works.
Really?
Hey, buddy,
Yes.
your handlebars are on backwards.
Oh yes, it is.
It is.
Oops.
That's good.
Gotta fix that. That's from behind the scenes. We were trying to put a piece back on,
Okay.
so
All right.
trying to put the
Hang
piece
tight.
on because in the last video we kind of forgot to put it back on. So we put it on behind the scenes. So that's good. Good idea.
We're flying over the toolbox. Flying over the toolbox. Come to the Mach Tech 1000. Grab our stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna give a toolbox tour. Yeah. And we're back.
This is the handlebars, and that's where it's supposed to face that way.
Yeah.
And you don't want it backwards. It messes up how you drive it.
You think? Go get the pedals, boy.
Pedals? Oh. There's only one.
No, there's not. There's one over there on the four-wheeler.
Why is there one over here, but
There.
one over here?
Boy, you were the one that took them off.
I
I handed them to you and said, here, don't lose them. He said, okay. Okay.
These, we don't know how old these are either.
Well, they're as old as the bike is.
Comment if you know how old this is. If you don't, just you can guess.
Yeah, just put a guess in there. Wow. This
I'm
is
thinking
actually freaking works. All right, hang on. Here, hold this.
We're gonna put the pedals on. See.
This is cool. So, Jack, tell them about that thing. Read that stuff right there in the. What's he say?
All right, so 15.16.17 mm.
So it's
Millimeters?
It goes from 15 to 17 millimeters, or 19/32, 5/8, 11/16.
CRV.
CRV.
All right, so
Wow, that's freaking cool. Gives the new term to adjustable ratchet wrench.
It's a lot better than the other ones. If you want anything, something like this will.
Hey, here's a
comment.
Here's a little note for you. Because if you look at the, you have two pedals. You have one that is.
Comment.
Here's a little note for you. Because if you look at the, you have two pedals. You have one that is smooth and the other one that has ribs. I don't know if you can see the ribs on there. See the ribs on there? All right. That's the non-crank side. Because it is a backwards thread. This is actually a left-handed thread. The reason why it's a left-handed thread is so that you don't, as you're writing it, it doesn't come loose on you. Just have 50-inch little whiz bang wrench.
That's what we're working on.
No, please don't touch my phone. Don't mess with my phone. You drop my phone, guess what? My phone's gonna have blood. Freaking actually works.
It does.
Doesn't fit on there. I needed 5/8, buddy.
5/8, sir.
It works to a certain extent. Let's move this thing up just a little bit. Move it down.
You said 5/8.
Yep, 5/8.
First one I see.
There you go. Good job, buddy. Yep.
9/16. Try 9/16.
No, it's 5/8. It's a 5/8, buddy. I'm telling you, I just dropped it. All right, hold the back of the bike. Hold it tight. Ready.
It doesn't even look like you're moving it.
Trust me, I do. All right, there we go. There you go. Watch out. There you go. Look at that.
We got those.
The pedals. We got the pedals on. So, in the old comment section there, if you're old enough to know what these metal pedals feel like on your bare shin from falling off the pedal, leave a comment on what you think. Here you go, buddy.
Oh, do I get it? Oh,
Yeah.
I thought that was a thing that you got.
Hey, thanks for watching again. It's just kind of like an impromptu. Thanks for watching again. It's just kind of like an impromptu video. I had that wrench that I wanted to talk about. Again, this is the Power Torque GM4777. I got it at Napa Auto Parts. I think it was like 16 bucks. Yeah, it works pretty good. It'll be a good addition to the boys' toolbox. There you go, buddy. Put that in your toolbox. Go ahead. Do it again.
Leave a like or dislike. Comment why you like it or comment why you dislike it. That's fine either way. Bye.
All right. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day. Canvas out. Remember, if Canvas can do it, you can. And if not, what's the worst you got to do? Take it to the shop. You got to take it to the shop, right? If you got to take the shop to get it fixed, you should at least try to fix it yourself. And as Stephen Cox says, go out and fix something.